All right, got the LandCruiser back from the paint shop. Looks pretty sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Woo! So now I start the process of putting it all back together. It's winter again, it's cold. But got it back. Spotted some runs right there I gotta fix, but no big deal. Yeah, so starting off with the engine, getting the electrical all back on. I'm still waiting for the fenders, the hood, tailgate, hatch, sorry. Back, front bib, and put it back together. So starting here at the engine, gonna just start doing all the electrical, get that done before I get the fenders on, and work my way to the back. Got a few hours today, hopefully some few hours tomorrow, and start putting this baby back together. Oh yeah, oh yeah. First thing I'm doing, cleaning up all my connection points, electrical, cleaning it up. I get some sandpaper, clean up the corrosion, just using some acetone just to get off the grease before I start putting them back together again. Electrical run, kind of roughed in, got the grommet. Made a couple connections back here. I have some broken pieces I've got to fix, so I'll get some better connectors. Check it out that door. Going up in front. Holes in. All the weather stripping. All the wiring is pretty much complete that I need to do. The engine, less the stuff that hooks up to the lights. Most of the engine stuff's complete. Grab some more parts from inside. Start putting them on. Time to remember where all this stuff goes. Ooh, well, maybe I'll start putting the gas back on. The breather. Squid. Okay, just finished hooking in the filler neck. Still need to put the grommet on the bottom. Now I'm going to start putting the kind of like a breather for the fuel tank, also called a squid sometimes. So I have two of these. This one came off a gas FJ62, and I also have the diesel one as well, but this one's in way better condition, and the only difference I can see is that this pipe here is larger than the one that came off the diesel. So other than that, it's pretty much exactly the same. And all these on the inside are identical. So even though this is a larger pipe diameter on the outside, connecting into this, this appears to still be the same size. So that'll connect in. So if I can remember this correctly, some wires in here soon. Look at the condition of that. Woo! Now, fun, cold, and this is probably not going to there. So, probably gonna have to loosen this back off, get that on. Alright, today's video, reassembly of the doors, rusted panels, and vapor barrier, moisture barrier that goes here, this stuff. Gonna put together, just got here, gonna turn the heat on and time lapse it, kind of show you the order of how to reassemble so you're not taking it apart and putting it back together like I did on the other side. So, do a video of this guy and then one back. Let's go! Okay, first thing we'll do, door handle. And I've already installed the door restraint, just haven't put the pin down yet. So door handle in, and go from there. Okay, front door is pretty much finished. Have to just install the cylinder now. Okay. The cylinder, the lock cylinder put in. So I'm going to move on to the back door because I have to find the cylinder. Can't remember where I put it. So I'm going to stop with the door restraint, handle, and move on to the other parts. This one's a bit more tricky because it's got two separate pieces of glass up there. So I'm going to start down here, get the glass in, and then move on to the other parts. Let's go. Okay, so that's all the doors installed, less the vapor barrier and inner panels. Put the mirrors on. All right, good stuff. Reassembly of the hatch today. And I just started doing the assist lifts. Check it out.